Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install and set up the Yachbat WordPress theme, a premium yacht and boat rental theme. By the end of this video, your website will be fully ready with demos, plugins, and all necessary settings. So let's get started. First, you need to download the Yachbat theme. You can get it from ThemeForest or your purchased source. Once downloaded, you will get a zip file containing the theme, demo content, and required plugins. Keep it ready for the installation. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is usually yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard, where we will install the theme. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme. Click Choose File and select the Yachbat theme zip file, then click Install Now. Wait a few moments while WordPress uploads and installs the theme. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to activate. Click on it to make Yachbat your active theme. Your website now uses the new theme, but we are not finished yet. After activation, you will usually see a notice asking you to install required and recommended plugins. Click Begin Installing Plugins. This may include Elementor, Slider Revolution, WP Forms, and other plugins specific to Yachbat. Select All, choose Install, and then Activate once installed. These plugins are essential for the theme's full functionality. To make your website look exactly like the demo, go to Appearance, Import Demo Data, or Yachbat Demo Importer. Choose your preferred demo and click Import. This process will add all pages, posts, sliders, and settings. Wait a few minutes, it may take time depending on your hosting. Now that the demo content is imported, you can start customizing your website. Go to Appearance, Customize, or use Elementor to edit pages visually. Update your logo, colors, fonts, and content according to your brand. Don't forget to check the homepage, services, booking forms, and gallery sections. Yachbat comes with a built-in booking system. Go to the Booking plugin settings and configure your rental options, pricing, and payment methods. Test the booking form to make sure everything works perfectly. You can integrate PayPal, Stripe, or other payment gateways depending on your region. Finally, check your website on desktop and mobile devices. Make sure all pages load correctly, forms are working, and images display properly. Once satisfied, your Yachbat theme website is fully ready to go live. That's it! You've successfully installed and set up the Yachbat Yacht and Boat Rental WordPress theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching!